to show you how to make moon sand. Moon sand is one of our favorite recipes we use here at the Children's Museum, and it's one of those really cool things you can do at home to add a fun sensory piece into your play. So the ingredients you're going to need is vegetable oil, cornstarch, and brown sugar. And the measuring tools you're going to need are 2 1-cup measuring cups, 1 stirring spoon, and 1 tablespoon. I've already measured the first cup of brown sugar. You're going to need 2. So should we get started? I'm going to add in my second cup of brown sugar. Now we have both cups in there. And then I'm going to measure 1 cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch can be kind of messy, but it's a lot of fun to work with. I'm going to mix that in a little bit before I add in my vegetable oil. Now I'm going to go in with my hands and mix it up. So now I'm going to add in my oil. I put it in a bowl here just for ease of transfer. I'm going to add in, to start with, 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to mix in to see if I get the consistency that I want with my moon sand. You know you have your moon sand ready to go when it's moldable in your hands. When you squeeze it in your hands, and then you can play with it, kind of like moist sand. So it's starting to get moldable. I'm going to add a few more tablespoons in. And you can kind of choose what kind of consistency you want with your moon sand. If you want it a little bit stickier, if you want it a little bit more loose, it's up to you. Alright, so now that I've gotten the sand that I want, it's moldable in my hands, I'm going to find some tools that I can play with my sand. At home you can use toy trucks, you could use some sand molds, you could use rocks, anything in your house that you want to add to this fun sensory moon sand. I'm going to choose this blue castle. I'm going to pack it in. And then I'm going to see if it comes out. Oh, and it already did. So go ahead and find fun ways to play with this moon sand at home. I hope that you have so much fun with this fun project.